Yo, what's up mga kasama? Brother Dido po ulit ng Sama sa PH Spearfishing Gears and Accessories. And we are back for another update po. As promised before, we are going to update 5 units night dive for our brothers from Agusan del Sur and local Spiros po dito sa Island Garden City of Sama. Mga kasamahan ko po dito. So here it is. Yan. So ito po, these are 50 cm units for exclusively for night dive. Pwede naman siyang gamitin for day dive pero hindi siya ganoon ka-effective kasi nga short distance lang, nasa 1 meter lang yung lipad ng kanyang shafting. And single rubber lang po siya. So mga specs niya, so pare-pareho lang ito lahat. These 2 units is for Sir David of Davao City. And another 2 units po for Sir Lloyd Ora. So mga repeat orders na po ito. Mga previous customers natin na nagandahan at saka siyempre umorder po ulit. So this is 50 cm night dive exclusive units. So these 2 units are for Sir Lloyd Ora, dalawa, and this is for Sir Marlo. Yan, of Island Garden City of Sama. Si Lloyd Ora is from Agusan del Sur, Davao City kang Sir David. So the specs of these units po, this one is of course meron siyang customized name, ergonomic, universal signature handle, EP reverse trigger mechanism for night dive, 5mm or 3/16 shaft, single 12mm rubber. Yan, shooting line po natin is 1.7 by 1.7mm by 1 meter lang po yan. So meron tayong safety bungee with heavy duty snap clip. Yan, so ito yung kanyang itsura. Yan, very handy po ito, best for night dive. Ito po yung best seller natin for night dive. Yan, the price for this unit is 2,800 plus shipping fee. So this unit naman po is customized color siya. All black yung request ni Sir David. So para po sa kanyang mga kasama. May customized name na rin po, Dream and Isla. So the same specs, ergonomic universal signature handle, EP night reverse trigger mechanism, 3/16 shaft or 5mm shaft, 1.7mm by 1 meter shooting line, 12mm rubber single, of course yung kanyang bungee na heavy duty. Yan. So the same po, the price is 2,800 plus shipping fee. So the same naman po ang specs nitong isa. So this 5 units is papadala po natin through LBC, tapos itong isa pipick upin mamaya. And ito, yung 4 is papadala natin through LBC po. LBC. Yan po, meron tayong ongoing 2 unit. So these units, dalawang hybrid 120. So this is for Sir Jobel of local Spiro pa rin, Island Garden City of Samal. And of course, yung isa is for Master Anthony Rabanal of Joy Adventure, Spearfishing and etc. So shoutout po kay Master Joy Adventure sa Coron, Palawan, and sa mga kasamahan natin dyan sa Primitive Islander, kay Buhay Isla, at sa lahat-lahat ng mga taga Coron. Of course, sa Rabanal Brothers po, thank you for supporting us. So maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagtangkilik at pagsuporta. Ayun. So again, reminder po sa lahat ng mga Spiro dyan, sa mga kasamahan natin, mga kasama natin na Spiro at mga papalaot, reminder po ulit, never dive alone, always dive safe, always bring proper gear, always dive with a buddy, share your dive plans, and no fish is worth a man's life po. So ingat po tayo palagi, and isipin po natin ang pamilya na naghihintay sa atin sa bahay. So yung isda nandyan lang yan, pero yung buhay po natin ay iisa lang. So always keep safe and dive safe po. So that's it for our update for this week. We will see you again for the next update, and cheers.